Hey guys. Hello loves. Hello. Hi. Okay, so here's the thing. I know that you have all been messaging and telling me not to film and to have a week off or whatever, to take it steady. But honestly, I'm having a bad day. I'm having a difficult day mentally, and I will feel worse for not working. And yeah, the thought of not working and not even knowing when I'm next gonna make a video or anything is making me feel worse today. So don't have a go. Don't say, Ellie, what are you doing? Put the camera down, go and lie down. Just hear me out, okay? I am currently day 6 post-op. If you're new, go and have a look at my latest video and you'll see that I've had some corrective surgery following the birth of my second baby. And I'm day 6 post-op today, and I'm not having a great day, to be honest with you. I feel really disheartened today. So I had a really bad night and the pain is bad. And I would say the pain last night was as bad as it was the night I came home. It's not helping the fact that I also was sick yesterday, really sick. I was sick all afternoon yesterday. Probably picked up a bug or whatnot, although both of my kids are absolutely fine. Neither of them have been sick, just me. So I don't know where that's come from, really random. I've obviously woken up in a bit of a bad spot, and I'm really determined to turn this around today, but there's only so much I can do, obviously. My mum, bless her, who I literally couldn't cope without, has Cooper. She has my toddler. It's 10:30 in the morning, and she has said that she will have him this morning and that he will nap at hers, which technically gives me like 4 hours until I need to go and get him before school run. I am being sensible. I need to sleep. I absolutely need to sleep. Like, that is up there in my priorities, and I am gonna sleep this afternoon. I need to get stuff done. I need to get jobs done, and I need to feel on top of stuff, or I'll just lose it. I can't do my normal, power hour, come with me, let's blitz the house kind of thing, because I am limited to my physical capabilities. But life in lists, guys, life in lists. I have got a list, and I am going to work my way through it. I am also going to set a timer on my phone for an hour. So I'm going to turn that on in a second, and I'm only going to let myself do jobs and housework for an hour. When that timer goes off, I am stopping and I'm going to sleep. So I thought I'd take you along with me for a sort of, I don't know if you can even call it a power hour, because it's not going to be very powerful, but a snap out of it hour. Right. 1 hour has started. Let's sort my life out. Here is the washing basket that is giving me nightmares. It's gonna be a struggle to get it up the stairs because I can't really do heavy lifting, so I'm gonna kind of have to like push it up the stairs, or I might have to do it in a couple of journeys. And there is also some washing that I need to get down and add to that ginormous pile. If you're wondering what this mess is here, like I said, I've got a little project going on the back wall in the playroom area, dining room thing, and this is the old shelves and pictures that were on the wall that I'm gonna put on Facebook or something like that, I don't know. And a giant watermelon. Hey, so I'm gonna take that down and put it in the basket. It's the first thing I'm gonna do. Up here. Whew. Don't look in the dressing room. Oh my god, it's a mess in there, but that's actually nothing to do with me. Clint's side of the wardrobe broke and his stuff's in a pile, so that's not actually my stuff to sort, but I'm gonna sort this pile out into piles and then put it into the right bedrooms. washing is all put away. It is taking me so much longer than it normally would. That's all I've got left. 37 minutes, I can't believe how long that took. But it's done, and that is the main job that was driving me nuts. So that is good. Look at my get well card and flowers from the boys, so cute. And the next thing was just, I want to wipe down the kitchen. Something that would normally take me 2 minutes, it's probably going to take me triple that. But I did get sent this from Flash, from Joy of Clean, in the post, and it seemed like the universe telling me, come on Ellie, you can do this. It's really cute, isn't it? So I'm going to use these new sprays to inspire me. It's not perfect, it's far from my usual. There's still a big pile of CRAP over here and whatnot, and I just, yeah, I can feel myself getting to the end, so I'm gonna leave it there, but I've wiped everything down and I feel so much better for that. I just, thinking about this side of the room now. Most of it's just Cooper's toys, which are just always out anyway, no problem there. But what I think I will do is just spend 5 minutes on the dining table, because it is covered in food marks and things where it hasn't been wiped for days, and there's also crumbs everywhere under here. I am not technically supposed to be hoovering though, so I'm gonna have to go really careful there. I think because it's hard floor, the hoovering is obviously a lot more easy. It's just literally picking up crumbs rather than like going in on a carpet. But I think, yeah, I'm gonna just work on this area for a second. Feel better, even though it's like 3 tiny things that I've done. I've got 2 things left on my list. One of them is to ring the bank, which, to be honest, I can do later. Like, I'm not going to do that in my power hour. The next one is to sort out the wall behind me. I have 14 minutes left, and I'm definitely not going to be able to paint it in that time, but what I will do is just sand down the holes that I filled in, and then I'll have to finish it tomorrow, and that's fine. Basically, I this huge back wall here that's like on the back of the kitchen, dining, playroom area. I was just sick of like what was up there. I've never been totally happy with it. I knew what I wanted and I've got it, and it will look amazing. I'm so happy with it. I'm not going to show you. I'll leave it for a surprise for the next video maybe, but it is all ready to go as soon as the wall's painted. Like I said, I'm not going to do all that in 14 minutes and I'm not going to stress myself out. So I'll just sand down the little lumpy fillers and that should take me much less than 14 minutes. And then maybe I'll also have time for my declutter and then I'll be done. I've gone all rosy, look. Whew, you can tell I'm out of action. Few minutes left, so I'm just going to come in here to do my little declutter. There is where I've been living like a little hobbit with the duvet on there, so I'm not going to leave that there because that's where I'm going to nap in just a moment, but I'm just going to tidy up in here a little bit just to make myself feel better. I'm actually gonna stop. I was gonna take the camera upstairs and do a little like walk around and declutter up there, but I'm gonna listen to my body and I'm gonna stop because I feel a bit icky and a bit bleh, and yeah, I'm gonna return to my little horrible den on the sofa where I've been like decomposing for the last week. I'm gonna return there, admit defeat, and I'm gonna lie down and I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna have something to eat first actually, because I feel a bit woozy, and I'm going to shut my eyes and I'm going to sleep before I go and collect Cooper and do it all over again. But I do feel better than I did this morning. Like I said, this morning I was really low, but now I've got like 3 things done in the house that were bothering me, and I've also filmed a little video for my channel because that was bothering me as well. So I do feel a little bit better. So this wasn't your normal like power hour with me, but it's real and it's how I'm feeling right now. So this is what we get. Sorry, my battery ran out literally as I was signing off. Just convenient, isn't it? But yeah, I've eaten, I'm under the duvet, I'm gonna shut my eyes. Thank you so much for watching my latest video, even though it was a bit more, it was a bit different to my usual one, but thank you so much for watching and for being so lovely during this a strange time in my life. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.